Here we are in my Volvo XC90 D5R design, doing something I should have done before I bought the car. So I have my iCar Soft Volume 3 ready. Is specific for Volvos and Saabs. We plugged in, and if you have something like this tool right here, I suggest you use it before you buy a second-hand car. I suggest you plug this in, check the car, see what's wrong with it other than what the seller might say. In my case, I was too happy, I was too excited to buy this car, especially that is my first SUV ever, as I said in my previous video. I guess I just forgot, but let me do this check right now and see what's going on. Look, Saab and Volvo, right? So I go into Volvo. Apparently my engine code is D5244T18. So enter that. The transmission is TF80SC and F1. Doing a quick test, but we have to start the engine. So the dash doesn't show anything wrong with it, but let's see what's happening. I'm pressing OK. Switched on. F1. Ooh, already. Nice. So what we have here, 3 faults for fuel system, combined system, transmission 1 fault, ABS 2 faults. Ha! Let's check them out. So let's read the codes for the engine. Turbo too low, heated oxygen sensor, okay, right, let's go back, let's see the transmission. No signal from ECM. So I think that might be a wire, probably, not sure. Now the ABS. Communication between control units. The steering angle sensor is not initiated. Inlet valve, left front wheel, fault in valve terminal circuit. So that's pretty much it. Let me try and do a quick erase, which it says is F2. Okay, let me turn it off. I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, and now we'll see what's going on. that was a quick test. Now auto scan. Let's go back. F1. Let's do another quick test. Enter. F1 for OK. No faults. Okay. So, like I said, this is what I should have done in the beginning before I bought it. Like when I went there to buy it. So I would have known, if I would have known this, I would have maybe negotiate more the price. Maybe I wouldn't have buy it at all. I would have looked for another car, but I forgot to bring this with me. But as you can see, the dashboard looks perfectly fine. There's no messages, right? It's perfectly normal. So that makes me believe that these codes are just minor issues. But like I said, I should have done this before I bought it. Anyway, so this is a reminder: never get too excited when you buy a second-hand car. Also, get a scanning tool for cars and make sure you check that before you buy it, before you even bargain with the seller for the price. These faults that appeared on the scanner are not that, big of a deal, at least not for the moment. I will have to make a sweep to check the wires, to check all the fuses and make sure everything is in order. And after that, I will have to rescan it again and see what's going on with it and start, fixing it. Hope you find some lessons. Please help me with the codes, give me your thoughts, give me some advices and stuff like that. On another note, a few months ago, I made a video about buying these wheels for my chair, right, and changing them, but I never gotten to review them. So I'm gonna tell you the upsides and downsides of having these. So upsides is literally lifts up your chair and they roll very nice on carpet like this, or any surface for that matter. It's just when you have some wooden floor, one wheel, because it's 5 of them, right, one wheel will go against the others, so you just have to move it a bit slow, because otherwise you'll damage the wheels. But that's pretty much it. So it lifts up the chair and roll quite smooth on any surface, because they're quite big wheels. Now I just touched it and you'll see I got dirty. The reason for that is, if you take a look at them, you'll see these little balls in there.
Pause.
This is like a bearing, right, for them to move around. But these wheels got damaged in the process. Like, look, this is not supposed to move like that, and this is not the worst of them 5. But the most, look, the worst is this one. This has no balls in left.
Pause.
Has no balls left, look. And I can show you where all went on my carpet. Look, those black spots is these little balls coming out of this housing and making a mess on my carpet because they have grease on them, right? That's why I got dirty on my hand. So I don't know if it's my weight or it's just they're not that good, because they were quite cheap. I bought them from Temu, so might be that, might be my weight, or it could be both. Thing is, I had to buy another set of original wheels like those because I find them to move quite easy as well on the carpet. It's just they clog very quick because they are small and they catch. Have a look at here. They quite catch a lot of hairs or stuff like that. They pick them from the floor and they clog the wheels and they can't spin anymore. So if you clean them, or I don't know, if you buy like 15-20 pounds set of 5, right? If you buy one set in 6 months, you won't have that problem. And you know, because they have these pins, they stuck in and come out quite easy, so it's no hassle to change them. That's my opinion about them. So I do prefer these instead of these, but to each their own, right? That's it from me. Stay tuned for next uploads and see you then.